but you gotta grow up. Okay. When I was growing up, I was so mischievous. King of my class, Dad, thanks for teaching us. Doing intros on True albums. Remember that? I've been doing this wrong, been on the map. In fact, did it once or twice. I learned a few days, get your paper before you get your ice. And diamond rings, don't think twice. Go with your gut feeling. Invest in yourself for the big time feeling. And all things come in time. Be patient, ain't no money. You gotta grow up. But you gotta grow up. Okay. It's the kid life and I'm living it up. And me doing music, the Miller Boys, that's us. Dad time, so I rhyme. Game time, AAU championship game. On the line, I'm destined with fame. It's all in a breed. That's how we ball and that's how we achieve. I don't wanna be a parent now, giving to the needy, breaking rules unfair. Just looking to be greedy. I got game, so I have to share it. And me without that, it's like bugs with no carrot. The empire, one day I will inherit, but for now I'm a kid, childhood I'ma cherish. But you gotta grow up. But you gotta go to school. You don't have to be a parent. No silly rules. But you gotta grow up. But you gotta grow up. But you gotta grow up. Okay. It's for all the kids growing up out there. Don't be in a rush to grow up. Just always remember, if you stay in school, you can accomplish anything you want. That's why your education always comes first. Oh yeah, and always listen to your parents, believe in the man up above. Thank y'all for buying my record. Let's grow up together. Okay. But you gotta grow up. But you gotta